So if we get some units, we went west. All right. Can I kick it? Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands!
On April 13th, 2021, Rock County deputies received information about a man that was at a residence in Beloit, Wisconsin. The man was identified as 27-year-old David Quinones. At the time, David was currently a suspect in a burglary, a domestic incident, and a chase from a deputy. He also had a valid felony warrant through the Department of Corrections. When the deputy drove past the residence, he observed David's black BMW parked on the roadway, so the deputy parked in a nearby alley and waited for more units.
He's leaving. He's leaving right now. Yeah, bye.
The deputy noticed David leave the residence and enter his vehicle. The deputy then pulled up and attempted to box his vehicle in. However, David was able to back up and take off at a high rate of speed.
Going south towards Portland, Wisconsin. Adam Charles Mary 2407. Adam Charles Mary 2407. 4230, wake up. Now he's a suspect in my burglary from West Road. He's got a felony DLC warrant. And he's got fleeing charges from Christitas.
Due to David's reckless driving, the deputy deactivated his lights and siren and terminated the pursuit. Shortly after disregarding the pursuit, he witnessed David's BMW strike a Buick at an intersection.
402, he just crashed. I'll advise where we're at here when I get up
After striking the Buick, David's BMW struck parked vehicles in a driveway and then crashed into a detached garage. He exited the BMW and fled on foot.
Oh, shit. 402, he hit a house. Where'd he go? So if we get some units, we went west. West of the U-Haul storage. Let's go find him. How are you doing? I would imagine. Did he bail out the passenger side through the garage? Yep. Come on, Sash. Did he bail out the passenger side? He bailed out the driver's window, but I was way back there because he's passing in traffic. I'm just looking for where to start the track from. He dropped a surgical mask over here. Okay, let's go to that. Hold on. You sure it's his too? It's not one that just... He had a surgical mask on his face when he came over. Okay, come on. Find him. What's the name of your driver? So he ran, as far as we know, he ran maybe eastbound. Or westbound, I mean, sorry, westbound. We're going to turn my radio on. Hold on. Yep, take your dump quick. She got to take a quick dump. Oh, there it is. This right here? No, right here. Oh. Oh, there it is. This might be for me. I don't always trust what they say. Leave it. Where is he? Where is he, Sash? Where is he? Wait. Where is he? Where is he? Come on. Where'd he go? Yeah, I felt she was leading us right to where the mask was. Now it's kind of breaking up a little bit. I might take her west and just check those woods. But I mean, he's from Beloit. He knows the area.
Well, I think he's hanging out. I was looking at him.
Yeah. Let's find him. Sucks.
Yep.
Well, this is also what happens when your K9 car's on fraud and Blackhawk Tech. Alright. Well, I'm ready to call this now, unfortunately.
20 minutes after the crash, K9 Sasha tracked David and he was taken into custody.
There's a mask. I think it's in the backyard here. All right. No worries.
We don't have a lock.
No issue.
Yeah, I don't have a key for it right now.
Is there a lot of stuff in there?
It's on this side.
Okay. It's right here. Off. You wanna off? I'm gonna fling it open. We'll let it breathe for a second. Is it open? It's not open.
No.
Is it locked?
It's locked.
It wasn't locked.
Do you have a key? Otherwise, we'll have to. Because if you know for a fact it was not locked.
He's right here. I got hands here.
All right. Can I kick it?
I got it. Keep your hands where I can see them. 2, 3, 4, suspect.
Watch out. Let me see your hands.
Police, let me see your hands. Right here. I got commands. All right, walk back to the sound of my voice. All right, I want you to get down to your knees. Put your arms out in front of you. Walk your knees backward. Flat on the ground. Flat on your belly. On belly like an airplane. Like an airplane. Yep. Like an airplane. Out the side. Out to the side. Put your palms facing up. Get out of here. Put your palms facing up.
Who we got?
Keep your head on the right. Don't move.
Good job. He's in custody. He's fine. He's in custody. He's fine. We got him. Sam. Yep. You've got to be kidding me. Good eyes. Nice job. Good on her for remembering that, because he locked himself in there. Mask was right here.
David was treated for minor injuries, and the occupant of the struck Buick, a 52-year-old man, sustained minor injuries. David ultimately pleaded guilty to felony fleeing as a repeater, misdemeanor criminal damage to property, and 2 counts of misdemeanor bail jumping. As part of the plea agreement, an additional count of felony fleeing was dismissed, along with felony hit and run involving injury. The judge issued a withheld sentence to David and placed him on probation for a total of 54 months. He was also ordered to pay $669 to the Department of Corrections. Do you enjoy our content?
Hey! Get out of your house! We gotta get you out! Hey, come on, we gotta come out! Hey, Sheriff's Office! Is everybody out? Sheriff's Office, is everybody out of the house? Sheriff's Office, is everybody out of the house? Sheriff's Office, is everybody out of the house? Hey! Get out of your house! We gotta get you out! Hey, you gotta get out of your house!
71742.
Hey!
24149.
We gotta get you out of the house! 6-1. How are we gonna open the window here? There's 2 people in the house. house. I'm trying to get him out. We're trying to see if we can get him out of the window. Hey!
To the house. Trying to get them to exit.
Hey, come on, you gotta come out! I'm gonna break the window, okay? You gotta come out! You gotta come out the window, you can't go out that way! You need to get out! We gotta get you out! You can't get out that way! Come on, come over here!
We can't get out this little window.
I'm gonna break the window, watch out! You gotta get out! Go! I'm breaking the window. Is that the only door? Where's the door? You gotta get out this way then! Then I gotta break the window. No, there's too much smoke over there. I have to get you out. I have to. I can't. I'm sorry. I can't hurt. I can't let you get hurt. You gotta get out. Is this so bad on that side? I can't let that happen. Black smoke is horrible. This house catches on fire. Is anybody else in here? No. All right. I gotta get you out.
Man, dog.
I'm sorry, but this is horrible.
Where's my dog?
Get your dog and come on out.
We're just waiting.
I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna carry you out.
No, I'm sipping up for it. Give me a chair.
I'm gonna carry. You gotta get him out of
Just
here.
wait, Ed. Give me my cane.
Dad, what happened?
The house on fire on this side. You gotta get him out of here. Come on, come on. No,
Break this fucking thing.
I know.
How is the house on fire?
I don't know that, but this is so bad on this side.
What happened?
Something's on fire and all the machinery on that side. Right by the...
Oh, fuck. There's two things. God damn it.
Tiana, go!
What?
Girls, come!
Come on.
Sorry, you just come on.
I know.
Go, go! Come on, baby!
Come on.
Shane, get out! Shane, get out! Come on. Pick her up, get her out. Come here,
Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go. Let's go. Look at this.
Get him out! Get him out!
Anybody else in here? Anybody else in here?
Back off!
Get this dog out of here.
Tiana, come here! Come on! Tiana!
Dad, come here.
Tiana, baby, come here! Come here, baby! Come here, baby! Come on!
We gotta get him out. Get him over here.
Shane, hold my dad!
We gotta get you out of here, buddy. Why? What for? Because the house is on fire, man.
Oh my God! Get in my car!
Car's over there.
I'm all right. I'm going to shave. Damn it, fuck. That was a fucking formula.
Nobody else in there. No people. No people. Might be an animal in there. Black smoke's bad here.
I think everyone is out of the house and there's heavy black smoke.
We gotta back this out of here.
Yes? Sir, can I move down there?
Yeah, move it down there. Get it out of here.
If there is a search for responding, can you re-identify yourself?
This out of here.